This is the most elegant bomber in the world, the Soviet Tu-160, affectionately known as the White Swan. Picture this majestic beauty soaring through the skies, and you'll understand why it earned its graceful nickname. The tale of the White Swan begins with its production halt in 1991, following the collapse of the Soviet Union. A mere 25 of these masterpieces were crafted and later inherited by Russia and Ukraine. The Tu-160 boasts the title of the largest variable sweep-wing bomber globally, measuring a staggering 54 meters in length and towering at 13 meters, with a maximum takeoff weight of 275 tons and a payload capacity of 40 tons. It's a heavyweight champion in the world of bombers. The strategic reach of the White Swan is mind-blowing, with a combat radius stretching over 7,300 kilometers. A fun fact is that this bird can fly directly from Russia to the United States without refueling, unrivaled in its category. The Tu-160 is the heaviest lifter among bombers, flaunting a design that originated 3 decades ago under the watchful eye of the Tupolev Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Now here's where it gets fascinating. The Tu-160, with its sleek Mk32 turbofan engines, can soar at a supersonic speed of 2.2 Mach. That's more than double the speed of the B-2 bomber, which cruises at 0.95 Mach. Even when fully loaded with a 40-ton arsenal, the Tu-160 can maintain a brisk 1.5 Mach speed throughout its mission, covering an astonishing combat radius exceeding 15,000 kilometers. The only chink in its armor is the absence of stealth capabilities, but fear not, for the White Swan compensates with its cruise missiles, making it a true airborne juggernaut. Imagine the awe-inspiring sight of this magnificent bomber dominating the skies. So what are your thoughts on the enchanting White Swan bomber? Share your opinions in the comments and let's soar into a discussion about this aerial marvel.